In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Zoho. This process is simple and straightforward, whether you're new to Zoho or just need a quick refresher. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Setup option. You'll find this in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on Setup. Now, under the Setup menu, look for the Templates option. Clicking on Templates will take you to a section where all the templates for emails, among other things, are managed. Now that you're in the Template section, you're ready to create a new template. Look for the New Template button and click on it. This will lead you to a prompt asking you to choose a module. Modules in Zoho refer to different sections like leads, contacts, or deals. Select the module that best fits the purpose of your email template, and then click Next. Once you've selected your module, you'll be guided to a variety of template options from which you can choose. Find a template design that appeals to you and click on it. Once you've picked a template, hit the Select button. Next comes the customization step. Input your unique content into the email template. It's important to personalize it to suit your needs. This could include writing a compelling subject line, crafting your message body, and adding any specific details that your audience needs. An important section to pay attention to is All Components. Here, you'll be able to tweak various aspects of your email, from visual elements to structural components. Use this feature to ensure that your template aligns with your branding and communication style. Once you've finished editing and are satisfied with your design, the next step is to save your work. Locate the Save button and click on it to store your custom design. After that, don't forget to click on Save Now to finalize the process. This will ensure that all your changes are preserved and your new email template is ready to be used whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully created an email template in Zoho. This method can tremendously streamline your communication process by allowing you to send out professional, uniform emails in just a few clicks. Remember, having well-designed email templates not only saves time but also helps maintain consistency in your messaging. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on using Zoho CRM.